Here is female nature 101. Most men forgot that women are hypergamous in nature, meaning they are always looking for the best man they can get. When you don't understand this, you will be easily deceived into believing that they can do you no harm. When you don't understand this, you feel relaxed, you feel comfortable, you won't even bother to acquire some necessary skills that can help you outsmart them. When you don't understand that they are hypergamous in nature, you trust the word. When you trust the word, you will be easily deceived because their nature is rooted in deception. This is why they will say one thing, they mean another. When you don't understand that they are hypergamous in nature, you won't even pass the interest test. When you don't pass the interest test, you give them the opportunity to exercise a different option. This is why I created the language of women, attractive code for men, the relationship dynamics, so that you won't even struggle to pass the interest test. Men think logically. A man can think, okay, because I've spent a lot in her, because I'm married to her, she's mine. I can do as I want. I can do or say whatever I want, then she will still love me. That's not how it works. Okay? If you don't pass her interest test, you are giving her opportunity to exercise a different option, which is not you. When you pass her interest test, you become her best option. Women think more logic, more emotional, as in they are more emotional. They go by what you make them feel. This is why they constantly cause drama, chaos, just to get a reaction from you. Because they are always looking for a reason to leave you. So while you are busy placing her above yourself, she's busy looking for a man who is better than you. Not a man who is better than you in looks, money or status, materialistic possessions. But a man that can fit the niche you want at that particular moment. So don't always feel like because you've spent a lot in her, because you've married to her, that she's going to stay loyal to you. She's not going to stay loyal to you. You have to make her still loyal by how you make her feel, by passing her interest test. Because how you make her feel determines whether she's going to stay or leave you. This is why I created a language of women for you. If you've not gotten your own copy, the link is on the bio. I got you.